Need solution? Subscribe our YouTube channel Solutions for All, and press the bell icon for latest video updates.
Hello friends, today we will show you 25 Kim Kardashian long face haircuts that will inspire you, and you must try once in your life. So watch this video till the ends. Kim Kardashian West has experimented with a lot of different hairstyles over the years. She isn't afraid to take the same beauty risks she's always been known for. Blonde hair, spray tans, wet hair, colorful eyeshadow. Here, we take a look at some of her best and most interesting hairstyle that is really inspirational for long face shape woman. So let's start. Black mid-part hairstyle. Blonde sleek hairstyle. Bob hairstyle. Brunette Tresses hairstyle. Choppy Fringe hairstyle. Side swept waves hairstyle. Curvy brown bangs hairstyle. Edgy Brownie layers hairstyle. Edgy Puff hairstyle. Fringe Wavy hairstyle. Gentle waves hairstyle. Gorgeous curls hairstyle. High ponytails hairstyle. Long straight formal updo hairstyle. Long wavy formal hairstyle. Long wavy Flair hairstyle. Mid-part black hair hairstyle. Mid-part edges hairstyle. Normal high bun hairstyle. One side wavy hairstyle. Plaited updo hairstyle. Spiral flare hairstyle. The curved edgy bang hairstyle. Top short bangs hairstyle. Vintage jeweled curls hairstyle. So friends, find the best one that suits your face, and you are ready to shine. For more awesome and healthy tips, please subscribe our YouTube channel Solutions for All.